So welcome. This video is for 5 a day questions for AISL and we are solving the questions for day 1. So the following diagram shows a rectangle with sides 9.5 times 10 to the power of 2 meters and 1.6 times 10 to the power of 3 meters. Write down the area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is going to be length times width. So this is going to be nothing but how much? 9.5 times 10 to the power of 2 times 1.6 times 10 to the power of 3. Some calculators may give you the answer as 152 and followed by 4 zeros. It may be giving you like this, but we want to write it out in standard form. If at all your mode of calculator is already in standard form, it should be giving you in standard form. So, but what is standard form? 1.52. Before decimal, there should be only one digit. And you can see that 1.52, how many digits it has to move, friend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So times 10 to the power of 6 meters square. This is going to be the standard form. If your calculator is already set in that way, so it will give you directly the standard form. That is part A. Now coming to part B. Hence, estimate the area of the triangle is going to be this much. Find the percentage error. So I want to find it out the percentage error. So percentage error, or I write the full form, percentage error equals to whatever is the estimated value. Estimated value minus the actual value divided by the actual value times 100. Times 100. So the estimated value, I am writing it out over there, minus the actual value divided by the actual value times 100, which is going to be, if you use the calculator, it's going to be 5.6%. That's the answer, 5.6%. Coming to the second question. A rectangle has a length of 2.6 times 10 to the power of 4 and width. Find the each of the following, give your answer in A times 10 to the power of k. A lies between 1 to k, stand 1 to 10, which is standard form. Area of a rectangle. So again, area is going to be nothing but what? Length times width. So what is going to be the length? 2.6 times 10 to the power of 4 times 1.9 times 10 to the power of 4, which is going to be nothing but how much? 4.94 times 10 to the power of 8 meters square. There is no units at all. So what am I going to write? Square units. I am going to write square units. Next, what is he being asked? Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is nothing but what? Twice of length plus width is going to be the perimeter. So perimeter is going to be 2 times of 2.6 times 10 to the power of 4 plus 1.9 times 10 to the power of 4, which is going to be 2 times 4.5 times 10 to the power of 4. So which is going to be 9.0 times 10 to the power of 4 units. That's going to be the answer. Second question. So we are doing just only 5 questions per day. So if at all you concentrate and what it says, learn these questions carefully for the next few days, automatically your score will be improved significantly. Question number 3. Calculate 77.2 times 3 cube divided by 3.60 times 2 to the power of 2. So this is just key into the calculator. You should be able to get 144.75. That's just using the calculator skills. Or you can write it out in the what is this fraction form, 579 divided by 4. Part B. Express your answer in the form of a times 10 to the power of k. So it should be 1.4475. So we can see that the point has to move 2 digits backwards. So therefore or 1.44 times 10 to the 1.4475 times how much? 10 power. So in order to become, so what is it? It has to move forward 1, 2. So it is 10 to the power of 2. Or you can write it as 1.45 times 10 to the power of 2. Yon estimates the length of the carpet to be 12 meters and the width is 8 meters. He then estimates the area of the carpet. Write down the estimated area of the carpet. So estimated area is going to be nothing but what? Length times width, which is nothing but what? 12 times 9, 12 times 8, which is nothing but how much? 96 meters square. When the carpet is actually measured, its area is 90. Calculate the percentage error. So for part 2, this is percentage error. Percentage error is going to be the, what is that? 96. We have done it outright. Percentage error is going to be the estimated value minus actual value. So we write the formula over there once again. If at all you are not familiar with the formula, so the formula is going to be estimated minus actual divided by actual times 100. So estimated was 96 minus actual was 90. Compare with 90 times 100, which is going to be nothing but what? 20 upon 3%. Or if you want to write in decimal, 6.67%. Question number 4. A rectangle is 2680 centimeters long and 1970 width. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. So just now we have learned perimeter is going to be nothing but what? 2 times of length plus width. So which is going to be 2 times of 2680 plus 1970. So which is going to be nothing but what? 9300. 9300. So when I use the calculator, it's going to be that much, but I want to write it out in the standard form. So 9.30 times 10 to the power of what? So the point has to go, I place the point over here, 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power of 3 centimeters. Next, what is being asked? Find the area of a rectangle giving to the nearest 1000 square centimeters. So area. Area is going to be nothing but what? Length times width, which is 2680 times 1970, which is going to be 5279600. But he's asking us to nearest 1000. Where is the nearest 1000? This is units, tens, and what is this? Nearest 1000 square centimeters. 1000 square centimeters. So, and over here. So, I have to, what is this? Go to this 79,600. Nearest to 1000 for 79,600 is going to be the thousands one. So the nearest one for 79,600 is going to be 80,000. 80,000. Or else, if at all you don't understand like that, what I can do it out is, I got, this is units, tens, and thousands. Draw a line over here and see that if this number is more than 5, add 1 over here and make all these zeros. So it becomes 528000. This is going to be the nearest thousands for finding the area. Square centimeters. Square centimeters. So that's the questions for day 1, and the last question for day 1, the question number 5. A ship container is a cuboid with dimensions 16 meters, 1 upon 3, 1 3 upon 4 meters, 2 2 upon 3 meters. Calculate the exact volume. So read the question over here. He's asking us to find it out the exact volume. So volume equals to nothing but what? Length times width times height. So nothing but what? Length is 1 16 and 1 3 upon 4 times 2 2 upon 3. So if at all you use the calculator, the calculator should be giving you 74.66666. If you convert into the decimal, what is this fraction form, it should be giving 74, and 0.66666 is 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 meter cube. So remember over here, we make a notes over here. So many times you'll be coming across 1 upon 3 is 0.3333, and 2 upon 3 is 0.6666. Obviously 3 upon 3 is 1, and 4 upon 3 is 1.3333. 5 upon 3 is 1.666, and so on. So these are never ending fractions. And obviously finally 6 upon 3 is going to be 2. So now I got 74.666. So that can be written as 74 2 upon 3, or else you can still write it as 224 upon 3 meter cube. But the best preferable answer is going to be a mixed number, 74 2 upon 3. Now coming to the part B, Jim estimates the dimensions as 15, 2 and 3. He uses the estimate to volume of the container, find the percentage error. So again, percentage error is going to be nothing but what? Estimated value, estimated minus error minus actual value, minus actual value divided by actual value times 100. So estimated value was nothing but how much? 15 times 2 times 3 minus the actual value is just now what we got it at 74 2 upon 3 divided by the actual value is again 74 2 upon 3 times 100. So when you do by calculator, you should be able to get it at 20.5. That's going to be the percentage error. So that completes the questions for day 1. See you in the next video for day 2.